Hello viewers, welcome to my new video. Today's video topic is how you can easily create child theme for your main theme. So basically most of the theme provides the child theme, and child theme is very important for a website if you do manual customization on your theme. So when theme updated, if you don't use a child theme, then your work might be gone. So it is important to create a child theme for your website. To create a child theme, it is very easy task, but sometimes people don't know how they can. So let's do it. First of all, you have to log into your WordPress website dashboard, then go to plugins and add new. Here search for child theme creator. Then it will provide you so many plugins names, and you can use any of them. Let's use the child theme, configure child theme wizard. Okay, let's use the child theme wizard and activate. Then create child theme from any theme you have installed. Okay, let's go to our themes, and here I want to create the child theme. Let's see where is the option is available for that tool. Yes, it is on the tools and child theme wizard. Then you can see the parent theme name. So if you have so many themes installed, then you can see those themes name here. But I need to create newspaper theme child. Basically newspaper theme provides the child theme, but if you need, then you can create here. Let's try using extra and add title. Here we can add our own title like Ellen. Okay, then let's try a description, our website theme, and child theme URL, the domain URL. No need extra work. Include GPL license, no thanks. And create child theme. It's very easy to create. And now let's go to the appearance and themes. You can see we have created our child theme. Just activate it. So it's done. Now you can see that the extra child theme is working, and you can see this is the child theme of extra. If we go to visit the site, we will see a break site because we use newspaper site theme on our website. So it's very easy task, but if you need a child theme, then you can easily create your child theme from here. That's it for today. Thank you all.